Okay, so I'm doing a tutorial how to put CDs on iTunes. So down this, let's see what CD. Oh, it's super way. All we just need to do is put CD in. So I'm gonna put the CD in right now. Wait for it. Have these songs on backup plan. I realized I have that one album in the library. So I'm gonna put in another CD then to so I didn't realize it was going to be like that. There's some different toys in this CD. There we go. That CD takes up there. And for a moment or two, okay, so 8 songs, so we'll just rate. It might take a few seconds. So, do you want to take the CD or just go into this info, and it tells what CDs and I'm going to learn right now. Doing that to make what's over a town to there's in to redeem. So let's do Apple ID and password if you want that you can use it from the Apple Store. This is hoping no one sees it's on my email. It's always pull that out, my email. But like $1.21. Yes. So it's a CD with no he'll walk through but how much of the album is done. And it takes like a minute to a couple of seconds to do these. It's like how long would it take? But it has a real tutorial where people don't know how to put CDs on. They have a CD drive for it too. I'll put that in the link in the tips and he always does that. Stop importing you don't want the songs on you to do that too. Like some people heat up so fast. Might do a tutorial too for the iPod. I found that old thing right behind me. There it is. I have it. Oh God, it's a dog. No. So guys were wondering to how there was iPod type plug in right here. Hold on. Away. Think to. Before or how the camera music to iPod to the iPod was drag it to this. Sure won't. I would have to do something else. Do this. Okay. Double yes, maybe. Add to device. iPod. Wait a couple minutes. Still went on now. I have no idea. So we'll do it. So it's complete right now. Hit and get my CD case and put your CD in the case after we're done. That's it. I so that iPod or using for iTunes. They will have it for an iTunes tutorial.